Welcome everyone to day 9 of our 30-day month of more Lifewave Abundance Challenge. And this has been probably one of the most exciting weeks of my life. So much has happened. I told you last week that my goal for the end of May was to become a Lifewave executive director. Well, guess what? I went from director to senior director to executive director in about 48 hours. And that was my month of more goal. So now, of course, I'm looking at, okay, what's next? I've got other goals that I'll be bringing forward. Have you thought of a goal yet for either your Lifewave business or your own business or your life? Now, this can be a life goal. It doesn't have to be to do with Lifewave. However, make it so that it is something that is achievable, right? And if it's not achievable, you can get close to it, or you can feel like, wow, I didn't reach the stars, but I got to the moon. Okay, so please lock in your goals. You've got 3 more weeks. You've got 3 more weeks, by the way, to actually come in and either sign up as a Lifewave member, and all of the perks of the Lifewave members is just incredible. So there are a number of ways that you can actually invest in the Lifewave patches. And that is, you can buy them as a preferred customer, you can buy them as a retail customer. The very best way, and the only way that I suggest for people to do this, is to sign into the company and buy them at wholesale. Because when you're getting them at wholesale, you're getting the best possible prices. You're asked to choose a package when you sign up, and they're fabulous packages: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. The higher the package, the more you invest, the cheaper, the less expensive the patches become. And that's a one-off purchase just to join the company. And after that, each month, you only have to buy one of anything in order to remain active in the company. If you think that in the future you might decide to share this technology after you've been wearing it, and you realize that, oh my goodness, I need to be of service on this planet to this degree. I need to help people come to this place where they sleep better, have more rapid wound healing, where their stem cells are being regenerated, where we are reverse aging as a strong, healthy, older population, and to start that, when we're young. So please, I actually know people that this week alone, this past week alone, up until now, they've talked to people, they've signed people up, and the people haven't even got their patches yet, and they're already excited about who else they can share this technology with. I mean, that's called trust and faith, and that's awesome. So is there something that you need to step into trust about? Is there something you need to step into faith about in order for you to understand that this is your time to shine as a leader? We did a quantum correction call yesterday morning, day 8. And oh, that's right, yesterday was day 8. Today is day 9. So yesterday's correction call was about money. And this whole week, we're going to be focused on money and wealth. Last week, we were focused on health. Next week, it'll be light, energy, frequency, and the week after, it will be love, to bring the whole thing together. Just want to remind you quickly about the prizes. So even if you only decide to sign up into this company and buy those patches for yourself and not do another thing, you're still in the running to win third prize, which is 3 sleeves of X39. That's 3 months supply of the X39 stem cell regeneration patch. And second prize is 3 free sleeves of X39 and a half-hour quantum correction with me. This is all valued at $2,000, second prize. And to be able to be in the drawing for that, you actually need to have upgraded. So if you've come in here and you've just signed up, or you haven't become a manager yet, the moment you upgrade, you're in the drawing for this. You upgrade to manager, or upgrade to director, or upgrade to senior director. Whatever your upgrade is, you're in the running to win second prize. And the first prize, the grand prize, is 5 free X39. And it is for directors and people who advance into directors. So this is a goal that we're saying, I want to reward you for not only wearing and sharing those patches with the people you know and love, but for helping other people wear and share them. And when we do that together, this is a company that we work for, where we're in our own business with our own website and our own everything, but we get to collaborate with the company, with everybody else, and with our team. I want you to win one of those prizes. So today, day 9, plug your goals back in. What are they? Remember them, and let's get going. Step into a place of trust and faith that you are enough. You have always been enough, and you are a winner. I love you. God bless.